In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in MailerLite. Whether you're a business owner or a creative enthusiast, learning how to craft and distribute an effective newsletter is an essential skill. We'll break it down step by step to make sure you not only understand the process, but also feel confident about executing it on your own. To kick things off, you need to first access MailerLite. Start by opening up MailerLite in your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up before proceeding. Assuming you're all signed in, you'll find yourself on the MailerLite dashboard. From the dashboard, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Campaigns section. This is your control center for creating and managing newsletters. So go ahead and click on Campaigns. Now let's get started with creating your new campaign. In the Campaigns section, you'll see an option labeled Create Campaign. Click on that and you'll be presented with a choice. Here you want to choose Regular Campaign. Selecting the Regular Campaign option is important because it's the standard choice for newsletters, which means you'll have all the typical tools and templates you need at your disposal. With your campaign type selected, it's time to add the details of your newsletter. Start by choosing a title for your campaign. This will help you identify it later, so make sure it's something specific and relevant. Next, it's crucial to select the audience you want to reach with your newsletter. MailerLite allows you to segment your audience effectively, so consider who will benefit most from the content you're planning to share. Designing your newsletter is where your creativity really gets to shine. MailerLite offers a range of design tools to help you make your newsletter visually appealing and aligned with your brand's identity. Take some time to play around with different templates, customize the fonts, and choose color schemes that reflect your message. Remember, you want your newsletter to be engaging, so keep your audience in mind as you design. Once you're pleased with the design, it's time to think about sending it out. MailerLite gives you the option to either send your newsletter immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling can be a great advantage if you want to target a particular time of day when you know your audience is most likely to engage. In the send settings, you'll confirm the audience, review the design, and then either click Send Now or set your preferred send time. And there you have it. You now know how to create, design, and distribute a newsletter using MailerLite efficiently. With these steps, you'll be maintaining a strong connection with your audience in no time. Don't forget to check your statistics after sending to see how your newsletter is performing. Thank you for watching, and happy New